Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Sisters Kitchen India. Today I'll be showing you a very easy and tasty recipe. The name of the recipe is mozzarella sticks. So let's check it how we are going to prepare it. To make mozzarella sticks, here we have taken some mozzarella cheese and we have already dusted it with some corn flour. Here we have taken 2 beaten eggs and here we have taken some cornflakes powder. We have added some salt, pepper and mixed herbs into this. Now I'm going to add this cheese stick into our beaten egg. Now I'm just dusting it again into our corn flour, and after it we are going to cover it with this cornflakes powder. We are going to coat it properly. As you can see, we have coated it properly. Now we are going to fry it. As you can see friends, we have already coated all our cheese sticks here in the same way. Now we are going to fry them. Here we have taken a karai with some white oil. Now we are going to fry them one by one. I'm going to fry one side of it for almost 30 seconds and after that I'll fry the other part. After 30 seconds we are going to turn them around and fry the other part of the sticks. Friends, our mozzarella sticks are ready. Now we are going to take them out into a container and serve them hot with some ketchup or mayonnaise. If you like our recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Thank you.